Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you why your Facebook meta ads are not delivering. And this is due to three main reasons. I will cover them all in this video. So let's get straight into it. First, this is the meta ads dashboard. So this is what it should look like. Here you have all your campaigns. You can choose if they are on or off. And here the delivery section. This is the most important part. That's why there is a red rectangle around it so you can see it clearly. Here for the delivery, everything is active. So there's no problems with these campaigns. But sometimes maybe the delivery is in review, for example, or sometimes the campaigns are not delivered, basically. So this is not the case in this example, but I will show you how to fix your problems in a few seconds. So the first reason is maybe your ad doesn't align with the Facebook community guidelines. So the thing is that Facebook ads need to follow certain limitations as certain requirements. So if your ad contains nudity, children, harmful content, etc., it won't be put on the Facebook homepage of people. It will just be vanished and the campaign will not be working. So check your video, check if everything is all right, if you don't have copyright issues, etc. Then upload your video and see if that works. The second thing is that if you have your bit spending limitation that is under what you have put in the ad, so let's say you have spending limitations like $200 and you have reached that $200, I will show you how to fix that in a few seconds. So go to the campaigns dashboard and then go to billings and payments. And then here you will have these buttons here, current balance, how you'll pay, etc. So just make sure that you have enough money and that the billing limitation is not reached. Now, for the third reason, maybe your ad is just in review and it takes time for the Facebook administrators to check if the ad is okay to put on people's homepage or not. So it may take some time. Sometimes it's like a few days. Sometimes it's like a few seconds. So yeah, just wait for it. There's nothing you can really do in this case. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.